I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to disable two-factor authentication on your Truist account, follow these straightforward steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Truist website or open the mobile app and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, find the Settings or Profile section, then look for Security Settings or Two-Factor Authentication. Step 3. Disable two-factor authentication. In the Security Settings, locate the option for two-factor authentication and select the option to disable it. You may need to confirm your choice. Step 4. Verify your identity. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Confirm changes. After successfully disabling two-factor authentication, review your security settings to ensure the changes have been applied. Look for a confirmation message. Remember, disabling two-factor authentication can make your account less secure, so consider the risks before proceeding. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to Truist customer support. Happy banking!